Okay. Be good.
Okie dokie.
In a node.
Okay. So the first two questions, page.
True. They're always true.
All right, number 3. In an ANOVA hypothesis test, like no hypothesis when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others.
True.
What requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test? Sample means are all positive.
True.
Data in each group are normally distributed and variances are equal in each group.
I think it's
all of them.
I know
the
that
variances have to be equal though.
Well, like, I don't know if they meant equal, but like the largest one has to be less than 4 times the smallest one.
Yeah, so they don't have to be equal though, right?
No.
But does that mean equal? Isn't that like kind of what it said?
Oh, it is. The variants are equal for each group. I'm looking at the requirements of an ANOVA.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
So, oh, wait, guys. So the F distribution is that it's right skewed. The values are never negative, and that it's always right tail. And then the requirements for an ANOVA is that it's normally distributed and that the variances are equal.
So it's not anything about the means being positive?
I don't think, I mean, it doesn't say, literally it says there are 2 requirements for that ANOVA must be checked, and it says that they are normally distributed for each group, that the variances are equal.
So I think it doesn't have to do anything with being positive or...
I don't either.
Okay, then I'll just do the bottom 2.
Okay.
Okay, who's copy true?
Question 5. To check if each group is normally distributed, do the following.
Construct a cube plot.
Yeah. Question 6. We assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens.
The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest.
Yeah. Do you guys see that in the video for the lesson it said like 2 times, and then the video that Sister Wilkinson made, it said 4 times?
I can't watch the videos. I have to read the book, so I just...
Oh, I do both.
I think he just messed up. It's definitely the 4 times, but like he even like said like it has to be over 0.05 when it was depth like 1.
Gotcha.
I don't know, he always messes up.
That guy, he's hilarious. Wait, so it's the number 6 is the second, right?
Yes. Okay, number 7. In ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent 2-sample t-test between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? So this is the combining one.
Oh, wait.
Is it 6? Because it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4.
One,
Don't
2.
Isn't it 2, 1?
No, because then it's still the same pair as 1, 2.
Yeah. It's 6.
Huh.
You're right.
It's a weird question. Why did they ask us that?
Well, that almost got me.
Yeah, I was thinking of like, I don't know.
Okay.
All right. The data in soccer shoes was collected to help determine how the design of a soccer shoe affects the accuracy of a kick. There are 5 types of shoes, A, B, C, D, E, and also just wearing socks for a total of 6 groups. Each row represents a kick from 10 meters away from a target that was hung 115 centimeters up from the ground. The column accuracy is the distance in centimeters from their ball. From where the ball impacted the target to the center of the target. So smaller numbers are more accurate. they're using the metric system. All right, so what is the minimum or smallest variance for the 6 groups?
We have to put them all in the one sheet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, this is annoying. Okay, so question. We just put it in the ANOVA one, correct?
I think so.
We don't have to make a QQ plot for this one.
What?
I was just wondering if we had to make a QQ plot for this one, and just
I don't know how she would. Oh, I guess she'll probably have QQ plots and then ask, like, which one looks like the, like on the test.
Probably.
There's 6 things, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A, B,
C, D,
D,
E. Socks.
I think so, yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's see.
Okay. No.
B,
Variable A. Oh, 27 point.
Oh, and the
C. 27.208. Did you guys get that?
oh, you're quick.
well,
Wait, where? Which one? 27.208.
Is that what you guys got?
I got it.
Sure. I'm still working on
So what do you get?
this.
27.208.
27.208.
7.208.
27.208.
All right, sorry. Okay, what is the maximum largest variance for the 6 groups?
$53.158.
53.
What do you get?
53.158. Okay.
It's
Yes. Yes. Okay, and then what is the test for equal variances is satisfied for this data.
So you take the smallest.
And then multiply it.
Oh, it's definitely like smaller than 4 times that.
What do you mean? How do you do it again, guys?
27 less than.
Yeah, you take the smallest one, you just multiply by 4, right?
Yeah.
So it's true.
Yeah, it's good.
Wait,
But it says make 2 plots, doesn't it?
That's 11. You skipped one.
wait, what did it, wait, can you explain this again? You take the smallest standard deviation, multiply it by 4.
And then if the highest one is lower than that, then it's good to go.
The highest variances.
It's lower than the number that we multiplied by 4.
Oh, so we take the standard deviation, we don't take the variance? What?
I don't know, guys. I'm really confused.
I'm lost.
If the largest variance is less than. I don't get it. Can someone explain it? Sorry.
You just by multiplying the smallest variance by 4 and seeing if the largest variance is smaller than that number. Like,
So this,
I don't know.
the smallest variance will be 27.208, correct?
Right here, not just on buildings.
And then just multiply that by 4.
Did her?
Wait, mine just froze for like probably 2 minutes.
Just Get that then?
Can someone explain that again?
So you just, to test to see if they're all equal, you take the smallest variance and you multiply it by 4. So that would be the 27.208. And then you just want to see if the largest variance, which was 53 something, is smaller than the number.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So that makes it true.
Yeah.
Oh, now I have to do a QQ plot.
That's kind of like tedious, isn't it?
Yeah.
I hate doing that.
I hate doing the QQ plots. If I don't know, I just sort of accept the variance.
Yes. Worse. I made my QQ plot and oh, it's not normal.
It's not normal?
I might have done it wrong, but all over the place.
Did you sort it though?
Oh no! I forgot about that.
That's why
Yeah.
it's all over the place.
Great. Can't trust you now.
You're out of our group.
You are not ringleader.
I was never leader.
I nominated you in my heart.
Guys, how do you sort it?
You just go to data
Uh-huh.
and then
sort.
click sort, yeah.
Oh, guys.
Oh, that's normal.
I
Yeah.
just did. Yeah, they're normal. I just did 3 of them.
Okay.
Oh, what? Quickly?
Yes.
Ashlyn's the ringleader.
Dude, she's the Excel master.
I nominated myself, so.
We'll just follow you.
No, don't.
Zombies.
Okay.
Alrighty, so question 12. Perform an ANOVA test in SPSS and observe what the p-value is. Oh, that the p-value is 0.081. Then remove the SOX data and perform the test again. What is the p-value when we remove the SOX?
Guys, I've never used SPSS, whatever.
No, I'm not going to.
I don't have that. What is that?
It's 0.309.
What the heck?
What'd you get?
I'm checking it really
What
quick.
the heck?
Nick,
So stupid.
my Excel doesn't manage the quickness.
I got 0.308. Is that what you got?
9 is what I got. 0.3092.
I got 0.30815. Which one did you take away? Variable 6?
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait, what are we looking for? The p-value? Yeah, I got 0.308.
Oh, no. Something
I
happened. It's now 3092.
That's what
I got 0.309.
Wait, if you take away the SOX, is that what you get?
Yeah.
When you take away the SOX, it is 0.309.
Oh, okay.
Well, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my mute button is on. Can't press it.
It's to the right.
Okay. Is the test statistic for the ANOVA?
It's the F thing. To the right.
How do I know?
Wait, okay, but do you look at it and say, oh, yeah, it's to the left?
No, because an F statistic, that when we do the ANOVA thing, it's always on the right side that we shade.
You're right. So is the p-value though to the right is what it's saying?
Shouldn't it be? Right? That's like the
Yeah, you're right.
I think so. Okay, researchers at Consumer Reports analyzed 3 types of hot dogs, namely beef, poultry, and meat, mostly pork and beef, but up to 50% poultry meat. For each of the 54 hot dogs analyzed, they recorded the type, the calories, and the sodium level. Their data is available in the file Hot Dog Nutrition. Use this data file to answer the remaining questions. Okay, so 14. Let's examine the calories first. Construct the QQ plot of the calories for each of the 3 types of hot dogs and compare the variances to determine which assumptions to use ANOVA have been met.
You sound like a robot.
Yeah, I was like, am I?
Did I?
Zuri's bringing out her Halloween costume early. So festive, Zuri. Okay. They want to do. We have to do the 3.
Or the calories?
Mm-hmm.
Okie dokie.
Guys, do you still remember anything from the first unit test?
No.
No.
I mean, maybe. No, not really.
I'm not the only one then.
No. Like, maybe I'll be able to remember it if I see it. But then again, I'll forget. And I'll just see how it goes.
Do you guys think that they're normal? These are like hard for me to interpret.
It's pretty not good. This technology stuff. Well, right, I have to start it. So slow.
Yeah, same.
Looks the same. That one looks normal.
They all
So the first one looks normal.
Like, if you want to know.
Let's see the second one. Second one. What about the second one? Do you guys?
That thing isn't changing at all.
What?
Like my QQ plot. Oh, there it goes. It's like that. The second one, the poultry, or the meat, or whatever.
Yeah, the second one, whatever that is. That
Hey,
one's
did you get
kinda-
rid of those? There's 3 numbers that you have to get rid of on the bottom if you copied over to the top of it.
why?
Because it's from the last one.
What?
So like the beef has 3 more than the meat and the poultry. So if you just copy it into the variable without like getting rid of what we did last time, there's going to be 3 numbers that are outliers.
Is this normal though?
So I think that the first and the second one look pretty normal in general. The first and third one, and the second one, I don't know.
They all look normal. I mean, similarly,
Close enough.
I just don't understand the variances are equal. Oh, wait. I have to probably put that into my... Is that what you were saying, Paige?
I don't know. Are you saying that number 3 looks weird?
Number 2.
Number 2.
Well, the variances are for sure fine.
Did you just put it in?
Yeah. I'm just looking at, well, I would say it's probably close to normal. Number 2?
Yeah.
You mean in
I-
Oh. Sorry. Wait, you said you looked at the variances?
Huh?
Who said they looked up the variances? Because the variances are very different than each other.
Look at the next question, question 14. There's 3 of them that says, or like the one that we're supposed to be on. It says that 3 of them are saying that it's not been met. So I think it'd be safe to say that it's not met.
Wait, there's only 3 categories, right?
Yeah.
What?
The variances look fine to me. The smallest one times 4 is way more than the biggest one.
Oh, yeah. Smallest one.
Let's see.
8, 5, 6.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's what I was talking about. So if anything, it's going to be the distribution of it. Yeah.
Is it A?
I think so.
Is that what you were saying, Brittany?
It's A or C. What?
See?
What was I saying?
Oh,
Well, I think that they look I mean, they all look very similar, the QQ plots.
Then let's just do A.
Oh, don't put me in the ring with her. If not, then we know it's C, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Or should someone put C?
I can put C.
Do you want to put C?
If you want me to.
Put C, and then we'll go through, and whoever gets it right or wrong, then we can just.
You got it, ring leader.
We all get it wrong.
Yeah.
All right. Question 15. Run an ANOVA test to determine if the mean number of calories is the same for all 3 types of hot dogs. You should find that the degrees of freedom are 2 and 51, that F equals 16.074, and that P equals 0.000, with a level of significance equal to 0.05. What conclusion can you draw?
My. Oh, yeah.
We do not have sufficient evidence to claim all 3 hot dogs have the same, right?
Wait, yeah, no, if the P is small, reject no. Yes,
Yeah,
reject,
so-
right?
So we
So
do
C?
not have sufficient evidence to claim that all 3 hot dogs have the same.
Or we have sufficient
No, we
evidence
have
to claim
sufficient
that
evidence.
one of the hot dog types has a different mean number.
Yeah, C.
That's
Sorry, everyone's talking at once, and I didn't hear any of it. What happened?
We have sufficient evidence to claim that at least one of the hot dog types has a different mean number of calories. That's how it was worded in all homework problems and stuff. Instead of like we don't have the sufficient evidence to claim that they're the same, we have sufficient evidence to claim that at least one of them is different.
So we never claim that we don't have sufficient evidence in a ANOVA test.
I don't know, but that's just the way that it was worded in the homework, so that's what I would guess.
I'm gonna trust you on this.
Okay. I haven't done the homework, so.
But I'm not the ringleader either, so
No, it's C,
I-
right?
I put D.
D.
Yeah, it's D. Okay, no, I reread it. I'm for reals. I'm feeling good about D.
Okay.
All right, 16. Now let's examine the sodium levels. Construct QQ plots of the sodium level for each of the 3 types of hot dogs. You should see the QQ plot for poultry suggests a possible problem with the normality assumption. The smallest variance is 7180.75, and the largest is 10492.871. Have the assumptions been met to use the ANOVA?
Well, the first one is normal, the QQ plot.
And I bring the last one. That one's normal.
The last one is?
I think so, yeah. It looks like it.
And
It follows closely to the red line.
As long as it touches a red line, we're good.
It doesn't touch it all the time, but it's
yeah.
close.
And the second one's normal.
Okay.
So
Let's see. And then the smallest variance is that. It's for sure going to be bigger than the largest one. Is it A?
It's between A and C again. It's like the same question.
Wait, so the smallest variance is that, so you do 7180.75 times 4.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Which
Oh,
is
that's
2,100 or something.
which the largest is less than that, so it is equal.
The variances are, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put A again.
Okay.
I'll put C.
Good job, Paige.
Thank you. I know my role.
You are guinea pig. I am ringleader. You are guinea pig.
Just another circus animal.
Oh. If only this
Oh,
could
we are
happen on
now.
the test. Okay. Despite the possible problem. Ooh.
I got 0.000.
I guess it's C.
Okay, but can we wait? Answer the last one, and then I'll submit the test, and then I'll tell you what it is.
Wait.
Did you put
What number are you talking about?
17? Did you get 0.000?
Oh yeah, I'm about to do it right now, but
What is the p-value? It is.
It is?
I got 0.79.
What?
For the p-value?
And for 18, did you put D?
Wait, I'm confused. What did you guys put for 17?
I got like 189.
Huh.
No, 0.179. What'd you
I
get?
got 0.179.
Same.
Cool.
Yeah, I did not get that.
Majority rules.
I'm just a guinea pig.
What?
You're more than just a guinea pig, Paige.
Thanks.
You're a loved pet. You're a member of the family.
All right.
What conclusion can you draw?
So we have like no sufficient evidence, right?
Well, it's bigger than that.
So we fail to reject the null, which means the means are the same. We have
That all 3 hot dog types have this same mean sodium levels?
yeah.
Wait, if we're using a 0.05 significance level and it's bigger, then we fail to reject, and that means we don't have sufficient evidence, right?
Yeah, that's what it's
Or we
supposed
do.
to be. No, we don't have sufficient evidence to reject the null.
Yeah, okay. So is that B then?
Mhm.
Okay, I'm gonna submit the quiz.
Okay,
Should we wait?
Yeah, wait.
I'm waiting.
I got 95. I missed one.
Which one?
Going 14. It's not C.
So
But
it's
all
A.
the other ones I got right.
Oh, okay.
So for 16, is it C?
Wait, sorry, I'm closing
Yeah.
out the.
Yeah, she only got 14 wrong.
Yeah.
But she had C. I don't know. I've submitted mine.
100.
Wait, how did you get 100 and then I got 95 if we put different answers on different ones?
I switched it.
14 is A.
Oh, you just switched the other two?
What?
Never
I
mind.
put A on
Yeah.
14 and 16.
I got 100. Oh, the answers page?
Oh, yeah, let me open it up again.
Let me get the dog. Keep going.
Oh, guys, I have sneezed so many times today.
Guys, it's Halloween and it's so sad because I don't get to get candy like everyone else.
What are you going to do tonight?
My sister-in-law invited me to this barbecue cookout Halloween party that she's having with like 3 other people.
Are you going to dress up?
Nah, I'm just gonna go as I am.
Okay.
Okay. Shoot.
Shoot.
Did
What?
you get it?
What are the things?
Number 3 is true.
Mm-hmm.
Number 4 is B and C.
Mm-hmm.
Number 5 is C, just the bottom one.
Yeah.
Number 6 is B.
7 is 6.
Is 6. You're so smart. So you remember. 8 is 27.208. Number 9 is 53.158. Number 10 is true. Number 11 is true. Number 12 is 0.309. Am I going too fast?
No.
Number 13 is the top one, right?
13A.
There. Yeah. Number 14 is A. Number 15 is D. 16 is C. 17 is 0.179. And 18 is B.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Guys, all we have to do to get 100 on these tests is watch everyone else's video.
So a question. So the test is like we can take it Thursday and Friday. Do we want to go over? Do you guys have time maybe tomorrow that we could do the next group quiz, which is like the study guide?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just so that we're not doing it on Thursday, so that we have the opportunity to take the test on Thursday if we want.
Fine with me.
Yeah, class is not all tomorrow, so whenever you guys are free.
My class gets done at 2:15.
2:15, which is my 3:15.
Do you guys want to do it in the morning? My class will start. Actually, wait. Never mind. Can't do the morning.
I like waking up early.
We could do it like 9 or 8:45-ish our time.
So my now.
Is that not gonna work?
I can't because that's when
Do the carpool
That's-
thing?
Yep.
Okay.
I could honestly, if you guys want to do it early, I could do it. I don't mind waking up at 6 a.m. my time, which is like 7 your time.
I'm a temple
Yeah,
worker, so I work from 5 a.m. to 8:30.
Why?
Oh my gosh, how fun!
Sorry. I know.
I could be back though from like carpool at like 9:15 your guys' time.
I can do it in that any time you want.
9:15 would be good because then my class doesn't start until
I'm
10:15.
fine with anything as well.
Your class doesn't start till when?
10:15, and I can show up late.
Okay, do you guys
Because
want to do
class is pointless.
What?
you guys want to do 9:15 Idaho time, so 8:15 my time. Is that 11:15 your time, Zuri?
10:15.
10:15.
Okay.
Is that okay? Tomorrow, 8:15?
Let me write that down because I'm gonna forget.
That's true.
9:15. So that means we're gonna do the group quiz tomorrow at 9:15.
Yeah, it's just the study guide that's in the homework or that we're supposed to do.
We don't have another unit
No. So that's why I said we should do it just because it's like studying.
on. That
Yeah.
means I don't have to read another chapter before then. Cool.
I know. I mean,
So,
know when our quizzes our what are they called that we're doing our project when it's due?
Let me look really quick.
Because I would rather start on that sooner rather than later.
oh yeah, same.
The project?
When is that due?
That's what she's looking at.
Oh,
I'm gonna go to it now.
It's
She's
due
looking
next
for-
Saturday. So we have the test this Saturday, but we have the design and study due next week.
Oh,
already?
it's due next week?
Well, yeah. On the 11th of November.
Just the design the study part,
Oh, design and study.
right?
What?
It's just the design the study part that's due next week, right?
Yeah, just to design the study.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
so-
That was the whole thing.
Tomorrow, after we go over the stuff, then we should probably. Are you guys good with doing what
The
we talked
houses?
about? Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
Yeah, the houses sound cool.
What cities do you guys want to do?
New York.
New York and San Francisco.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So tomorrow.
Bigger, go home.
So I guess we can all read into it more, but I'm like a little confused. Are we supposed to like divide and conquer or?
We will eventually, but I think we have to design it together. And then then the next week on the 18th, it says like design the study quiz thing due or self-report. I don't know what that means.
Don't we
And then,
choose one
collect
for-
the data? I didn't
Can
hear.
we choose one to like write out the info for every little piece, like the 5 steps? Like one of us would write out the design the study part, and then another of us would write out like the data that we collect, and then another person would write out the like statistics that we take from that, and then all that stuff.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay, so before tomorrow, let's everyone go into the content, go to the final project, and kind of glance over it so that tomorrow we can kind of have a better gauge of like,
Where
you
we're
know.
at.
Okay.
Oh, mine's not letting me do it. I just tried to like pull it up. Oh, there it is. Final project overview. Yeah. You and your group will complete the final project together. Okay. I'm trying to see. Okay, yeah, let's just read it over, and then by tomorrow we can all come together and do our own thing. Is that okay?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys. Thank you. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
that.
Okay, see you guys.
See ya.